Well, yeah, ama-challenges engihlangane nawo kakhulu mina mangifika ku-Sundowns ama-injuries. Ku-Sundowns the mangifika yanga experience leyo nto-ke manje yama-injury manje ayipheli 3 games ngingalimalanga. Lama-injury lawa snacks lawa akusila ukukhahlelwa nani yabo. Lama-injury akwenza ukuthi ucabange manje ukuthi madoda manje kwenzakalani. Uyazama ukuthi uthandaze ukuthi uyabona.
Endlini bathini bona?
Phela nabazama ukuthi basupport yabona mara izinto zesiZulu akusiyo izinto engikhule ngazo nasedlaleni yabona lama-injuries and snacks yabona akusila ukuthi uzofaka i-ice yawo uyaphola bowukhahleliwe. I've never been kicked even once but you thola ukuthi sometimes nje bona nje kuyaqhuma ngaphansi kwenyawo groin yabona injury isikhathi eside. So those are the challenges that I faced. And they're not necessarily ukuthi mhlambe bekushaywa wena, it's just that everybody is using these things.
Amashawa
Eramashawa
namarumi awashare
amajita nekhemi opponent nekhemi yabona zonke lezo zinto ukuthi wena awuzipanisi lezo zinto so ziya-affecta somehow.